Good morning, all the student of class 2. Welcome to your math class, student. So, today we will do the page number 83 of your magic, isn't it, student? So, page number 83. Now, look at student. Playtime. What is the topic? I am fine. Open. What is the time? Playtime. Okay? Playtime. Shamina and Shadik are now playing another game on the board of heads and tails. They throw 2 dice and add the numbers to get their points. You too play this game. Throw your dice and write your points. See who is fast to reach the home. Now, students, for playing this game, we need dice, isn't it? So it's a kind of a game like Ludo, isn't it? Please, nobody cut anybody's class. Reja, okay, stop fighting. Now do the class. Mute your audio. Okay, now listen everybody. So, everybody's house, if you having dice, then you can do one thing, that you can play by making this chart. Okay, so with this there is we completed. Okay, Sujan, you cut the call and join once again. Okay, everybody stay away from the mobile screen. You just keep the phone your side and watch the class and do the classwork whatever I instruct. Okay, so with this chapter is over, isn't it? Add our points. So take out your copy, everybody. I will give you some maths. Okay, I will give you some maths that you have to be do. Okay, let me see that how much addition you learn. Okay, so what I will give some math. Okay, practice. 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 Practice time. Okay, so the first one is 8 plus box equal to 12. Okay, everybody do it fast. Nobody tell the answer, just do it. Then after that, submit your pages. Okay. Hey, who are talking? Don't talk. asks the answer to everybody. Okay. Okay, I already give the site. Nihan, do the class. Why you were taking the screenshot? No, my screen is not paused. Okay, the first answer, 8 plus dash equal to 12. With 8, which number you have to be add? With 8, which number you have to be add to get 4? Sorry. So, it is 4. Okay. The next answer is 7 plus dash equal to 21. With 7, which number we have to be add to get 21? Tell me. Okay. So it's Susan, Reja, Shaptorshi who has given the answer 14. 14. Now count. Now let's see that is she. Then Ojashik also, Shamriddha also, Sheikh Chad, everybody is saying 14. So let me count. After 7, if I count, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So it's 14 finger. So okay, then everybody is correct. So if you write 14 in the second box, then you can give a correct for your math. Okay, now it's the third number question. Dash plus 12 equal to 39. Dash plus 12 equal to 39. So with 12, which number we have to be add for getting 39? Can you tell me? So someone said that 21. Somebody is said 27. Okay, so Reja has told 27. Aradhya has said 18. Sujan said 27. So let's see. So how we can calculate, student? In our previous class we learned how can we find out. See, this is the final answer, isn't it? So from this final answer, if we subtract a number, then we will get the another number. So it is 7 and it is 2. Then 27 is the correct answer, isn't it? You have to be subtract 12 from 39 and you will get 27. This is the correct answer. Okay, everybody correct this one who make it mistake, and rest of all who make it correct, for a correct tick mark. Okay, now it's the time for the fourth number math. Okay, 5 plus 7 plus 5. 5 plus 7 plus 5 equal to how much, student? 5 plus 7 plus 5. Oh my god, Shaptoshi has answered it. 17. Very good. So how we get 17? Yesterday we done that first we have to be add 5 and 5 because it makes us 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17. Very easy. Now is the time for the fifth number math. It's the time for the fifth number math. Now 8 plus 9 plus 2. Can you tell me, student, that which two number we have to be add first here? Which two number we have to be add here first to make the math or make the addition easy? Sheikh Chad, tell me which two number you have to be add first? Okay, Sheikh Chad, Shaptorshi, all given the answer. Snigdha also. Tell me that which two number you have to be do first? Yes, you have to be do first 8 and 2, isn't it? Because 8 and 2 makes 10 and 10 plus 9 is 19. And now it's blank plus 21 equal to 48. So with 21, which number we have to be, add for getting 48? Which number we have to be add? So easy answer. $27, isn't it? So it's become, now check, yes. So all right, so with this we completed our practice time, isn't it?